Today in this video, we're going to answer the question, another Ask the Underwriter question. Why do underwriters ask me for the same documents over and over again? Check it out. Hi, I'm Rhonda Burgess, and I'm a real estate broker and mortgage underwriter here in Nashville, Tennessee, and my firm is Southern Living Realty Partners. Okay, this is going to be a quick one. Let me explain something to y'all. I know it seems like, when you're trying to get a mortgage, they getting all in your business. We do. We get all in your business, from pulling your credit to verifying your employment to verifying assets, what money you got, what money you don't got, where the money came from that you do got. There's a whole lot of moving parts. Okay. So there's a whole lot of check boxes that got to be checked off for your mortgage to be approved and for you to close. Okay. So, your originator. Now let's go over that one more time. Your originator is the person that you talk to apply for a mortgage. Not me, not an underwriter. You normally never talk to the underwriter. Okay. Just be quite honest with you. So you're going to talk to your originator. That's the person who's going to take your application, take your initial documents, give you your initial disclosures, quote you the interest rate, all that stuff. That's the originator's job. The underwriter's job, remember, is to protect the firm's money and to mitigate risk, to make sure that we are only, lending to credit-worthy people. Okay. So, and then part of that, we will ask for statements. We will ask for bank statements. We will ask for paycheck stubs. We will ask for retirement account statements. Sometimes we may even ask for credit card statements. Especially like if you're trying to exclude a debt. Let's say you're the co-signer on your daughter's car. Your daughter's the primary and you're the co-signer. So we may want to, in order to exclude that payment, you can only exclude that payment on a co-signer. You cannot exclude that payment on a primary. Just let me put that out there. You can only exclude a payment like that on an installment loan like that for a co-borrower, for the secondary person, but not the primary. So if you put that car in your name for your daughter, that's your car. That's your car. We don't care if your daughter's making all the payments, all that good stuff, but you're the primary, so it's your car automatically. But let's say, for instance, you are the co-signer and you want to exclude that debt, right? And you're going to show me 12 months canceled checks or where it has come out of your daughter's account, so we can exclude that debt from your DTI, from your debt to income. Okay. When I say I want to see the statement from the bank, I want to see the statement. I don't want the front page. I don't care if the second page, the third page says nothing but their disclosures about the APR and all that. I want to see all of it. When we ask for a bank statement, I want to see the bank statement. I don't want to see the first page. I don't want to see the first 2 pages. You know how in your bank statement, it'll say this page intentionally left blank? I want to see that too. I want to see it too. You know how when you get your bank statement and it'll have, like, I know most people are online now, but let's say you're old school and you still get your statements by mail and they're 2-sided. So the back side normally just has those disclosures and stuff like that. I want to see the back side. I want to see everything. I want to see all pages. So just know that you're going to have to copy the back side of your statement. You're going to have to download all 18 pages of that PDF, however big that statement is. That's what we want to see. We've got to account for every page. Not just the first page, not just the first 2 pages. You know what I'm saying? So like, let's say you still write checks, for example, and your bank statement, maybe the first 2 pages lists all your transactions, right? And then the third page is just the 2 canceled checks the 2 checks that you write each month. And so you think that ain't no big deal. I need to see that page too. I need to see that page and the back of that page too. Again, if that page says intentionally left blank, I want to see it. We're required to. This comes back on our job. You understand what I'm saying? Because what you need to understand is for us underwriters, we get audited. We get audited on the backside. After your loan is closed, it may be months after your loan is closed and you going on, you living your life, you in your house, you doing your thing. A1. But I'm getting audited because they may randomly pick that file to audit. And if I don't have if it says on the front of the statement, 1 of 6 pages, for example, it says a 6-page statement, and I only have the first 2 pages in there, that goes against me. So again, I'm covering me. I don't, as the underwriter, I do, like I just said, I don't talk to you. I don't know you. I don't have a relationship with you. You have a relationship with your originator. Okay? That's who you talk to get your loan. You have a relationship with that person. You never have a relationship with the underwriter. I don't know you. Like I've told y'all before, it's not personal. It's not personal. But I have a checkbox. I have to check off that I saw all 18 pages of that statement. When I sign my name and I'm approving that loan and everything, I'm certifying to my employer that yes, I have done my due diligence. I've been through everything. This person is straight. They ready to go. All that good stuff. Because I'm gonna tell you, the issue comes up when you have a first year default or you have a first payment default. That means we done went through all this. Okay, you look good. I done approved the loan. They done send it back to your title company, your title attorney. You done closed and you happy and all this good stuff. And you missed that first payment. You know the first thing they gonna do when you late on that first payment or you don't pay that first payment? Oh, they coming straight back looking at the underwriter. They going to the underwriter like, was you having a bad day this day that you closed this? Or are these people committing fraud because they have not made that first payment? They want to know. See, they're gonna look at you and then they're gonna look at me. And let me tell you something. I'm CYA over here. I am CYA over here. So if I don't have everything that I need to cover me, oh, you're not closing. So it's not that I have asked you repeatedly for the same document. I asked the first time. I told your originator, I told your processor, your originator's processor, I told somebody I need the bank statement. Now, I used to be now I put on all my stuff. I need to see all pages of the bank statement. Please make sure all pages, including blank pages, are included. So that way, that save us all this back and forth. But just know, we're not asking for these documents repeatedly for no reason. We asked for it a second time because obviously we did not get the full statement that we asked for the first time. Or you send me some other month. Let me touch that one quick minute. When I tell you I want to see the two most recent bank statements where your money's at, like where your earnest money or your trust money came from and where your closing costs is going to come out of, if you've had some return checks, you've had some stuff bounce, you've had some insufficient funds, you've had something negative going in that account, don't try to hide it by giving me some other month or not giving me all the pages of this month or all this, all that. Look, give it here. Give it here. Cause see, I keep telling y'all, don't give the underwriter any reason to think twice on your file. Oh, they didn't send in all them pages. Okay. So I'm gonna start looking. Don't make the underwriter get nosy. Don't make the underwriter get nosy. Give them everything up front. Give it to them good, bad, and otherwise. Because a lot of times I've had files where I did have people who had insufficient funds, charges, multiple charges. Then I'm gonna ask, what happened? What's going on? And sometimes it's as simple as, because I know I've done this in my own businesses, like I have totally been out the loop, like I was out of town or I just forget, I got covered up, something happened, and I didn't submit my payroll for my employees by the end of that business day for them to get paid on time, right? And so then when they didn't get paid on time, I know that affected them, right? Because I know they had bills set to automatically come out their account, and the money wasn't there. So I totally sympathize with that, because it's happened to me before. Okay. So just because you have those insufficient funds or something else happen, I may come back and just ask you for a letter of explanation, because my guidelines may say that's all I need. If I got more than 2 insufficient funds charges this month, it may say it require a letter of explanation. And so I may just come back and ask you for what happened. And then just give me an honest, tell me what's up. If somehow, okay, my dog got sick and I had to pay the vet. I'm a dog lover. Oh, I totally get you. I totally get you. They like chilling. They like some more chilling. You understand? They just 4-legged furry chilling. So I dig it. For me, if that would be okay, checked off. Cool. I got my letter of explanation. Let's keep it moving. So don't hide stuff. Don't try to come up with another story. Don't try to give me something that I didn't ask for, because then you making me go, some ain't driving. You know what I'm saying? Give it to me, the good, bad, ugly, otherwise. And then let the underwriter come back and tell you what they need for your loan to get approved. Again, my name is Rhonda Burgess, and I'm a real estate broker and mortgage underwriter here in the Nashville, Tennessee area. I hope this video has helped you all understand the process and the thinking of the underwriter. And if it has, please feel free to share this video with someone else. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And as always, have a blessed day.